What are they playing with their sled? Finally, they go to Stocking Cat. Today we have my puppy. Look how small it is. This is how small it is. This is a boy. This is how small it is. Okay. So, I don't know where to put this thing. We're just gonna have to put it on my knee. Okay. First slime. That's last. Sorry. First slime. This is what I have. Puppy looks my hair like all over. Its name is Opie. I named it Opie. I wanted to name it Opie. Like my best friend puppy. His name is Opie. So yeah, we can name this. I don't know. So this one is Puggy with mustard and fart. If you look real close, it says fart. Yes, it's fart. So this is fart. This is fart. And then somehow just turned into this weird Play-Doh stuff. So yeah. That was one. And this one's last. Oh, I like the slime. Okay. No, you could not eat this because it has glue. It's shaving cream. So no, you could not eat it. I'm gonna go put lotion in it. Ah! Oh! Puppy almost broke. We got this. This is what you put in. Okay. Get that done. Oh, puppy. Okay. So you stay right there. But I do something. So. Put a little bit of lotion in it. And put this lotion back. Okay then. Okay, so we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna eat it. No puppy! No puppy. You cannot eat this. You can die, puppy. No puppy! I'm gonna go put you back in the cage. Okay. Neck. So, how was I saying? You put lotion in it. It's hard. Yeah. I have to go do something. Hold on. Neck. So. Okay. 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 Look. How do you say I was gonna say that? How do you know I was gonna say that? I'm recording though. That's how you fix slime.
That's how you make fix slime?
Yeah, that's how you fix slime. Boy. Well, if you cannot play if you don't want to. What? Oh. If you don't want to perform in it. If you don't want to perform in it, don't then. I put glitter in. I put marshmallows and glitter in. And it didn't work out. And I had to make another one myself. So, yeah. The other one I threw away, so, yeah. So, y'all. And pop it, yeah. So, if you could put shaving cream in it, and if you want to, then don't. Or you want to put lotion in it, that's what I do. This one's hard. Okay. That's it. So, put that back in. So we're going to do the exact same thing with this one. Ready? So, I'll be your friend. So, I'm back. It's sticky, like sticky. Oh my god. I get this one at once. Because it's sticky, very sticky. This is very sticky. I'm going to take this first and last. So, bye guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Which one is your favorite one? This one or this one? I say this one. Okay. I used to have one, but my brother broke it. So, peace out, little handballs.